Welcome back to the another round of 16 match between Mexico versus Portugal. The match has been started. Vives leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Iago. Iago is now leading the ball. Vitinha. Cristiano Ronaldo taking the chance. Bruno Fernandes directed and goal. Just after 5 minutes, Bruno Fernandes did magnificent goal. Beautiful pass by Ronaldo and Bruno Fernandes did it. That is the nice strategy by Cristiano Ronaldo to not taking the chance by himself. Mexico 0, Portugal 1 just after 5 minutes. That is a shocking news for Mexico. Bochan! Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. Dalot. Beautiful pass to Vitinha. Dalot again leading the ball. Pedro. Cerne. Leonardo passing to Neres. Rafael passing to Vitinha. Again Gonzalo Cerne leading the ball, passing to Bochan. Again clear. What a nice stride, but the ball was outside of the pole. Mexico is now attacking over Brazil. Vives. Silva passing to Ronaldo. Neres this time leading the ball. Directed but outside of the pole. Mexico started attack over Portugal because Portugal is taken the lead just after 5 minutes. That shocked the Mexico. Now Mexico wants a goal to make the game equalizer. Until they will struggle again and again to achieve the goal. Another chance for Bochan, but outside of the pole again. This is the third time Mexican attackers are attacking over Portugal. Dalot. Again, Bochan. Beautiful pass to Leonardo. Directed and this time got it. Just after 38 minutes, Leonardo Bochan got it. Magnificent goal done by Leonardo just after 38 minutes. That is the goal that Mexican team players want. Mexico 1, Portugal 1. Both teams are on equal points just after 40 minutes. Let's see what will happen. Who will take the lead next? The ball is outside of the line. There will be throw. Iago. Beautiful throw. But Pedro was there. Chance! Ronaldo! Directed and goal! Just after 46 minutes, Ronaldo got magnificent goal. Beautiful pass and nicely executed by Ronaldo. That is a game-changing goal in the last of the first half. Magnificent goal done by Ronaldo. Beautifully executed. Mexico 1, Portugal 2. Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, Portugal did 2 goals and 1 goal is attempted by Mexican team player Leonardo. Bruno Fernandes. Big chance for Portugal team players. Bruno Fernandes hit and nicely clear. Again there will be corner kick. Nicely passed to Vitinha. Dodge. Leonardo Again, Leonardo leading the ball, passing to Lulu. Mexican team players are now taking the chance. Again, Leonardo. Direct hit touch to the upper pole. Nicely clear. Again taking the chance, but outside of the pole. Beautiful attack by Leonardo again over Portugal to make the game equalizer.
The attendance for this match was 61,000.
Let's see whether Mexican team players will got their target. Pedro. This time, chance. Touch to the player. There will be corner kick. Had it. Nicely cleared by Pedro. Saliba. Cerny. The player crossing the line. Vitinha. Rafael. Nicely dodge. Bojan again leading the ball. Narvaez. Bojan! But outside of the pole. 74 minutes have been passed. Still, Mexican team players are struggling to achieve their second goal to make this game equalizer. But Portugal team players are not giving a single chance touch to the player to achieve the goal. Nicely clear. Pedro. Beautiful pass to Bruno Fernandes. Ronaldo this time again leading the ball, but touched by Wirtz. Only 5 minutes remaining for this game to be completed, and still Mexican team players are in loss. If they are not achieving the goal, they can lose this game. Defend it. Again hit, but outside of the pole. Bad luck for Mexican team players. Almost they lost the game.
4 added minutes has been indicated.
Vitinha. Silva is now leading. Vitinha again. The time is over. Mexico 1, Portugal 2. Portugal won this match.